If you're planning to give away your Galaxy phone, trade it in for a newer model, or even make the jump to an iPhone, you have to do this first to protect your private information. Before we wipe anything, make sure all your photos, videos, and files are safely backed up to your computer or a flash drive. Also, double check that you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. You're going to need an internet connection for the security checks later on. Once you've got that covered, let's dive right in. First, open up your settings. Scroll down until you see General Management and tap on it. Scroll down again and select Reset. Right here you'll see options like Reset All Settings or Reset Mobile Network. But we need to completely wipe this phone. Media, Google accounts, bank details, the works. So we're going to select Factory Data Reset, right down here at the bottom. Your phone will show you a list of all your accounts, just to let you know that absolutely everything on this screen is about to be deleted. Scroll all the way down and tap Reset. Now the phone is going to ask for your security passcode. Punch that in and hit Delete All. If you're logged into your Samsung account on this device, it will ask for your password to authorize the reset. You can either type it in or request a one-time code via text message. I'm going to go with the text message option, so I'll hit Confirm. It might ask for your lock screen password or fingerprint one more time. Finally, if you use a digital SIM card, your phone will ask if you want to keep your eSIMs or wipe them. Since we are getting rid of the phone, select Remove eSIMs and Reset. And there we go. The phone is now wiping everything. Just let it do its thing, and after about 3 to 5 minutes, your phone will be completely wiped and ready to trade in or give away without compromising any of your personal data. That's it for this video. If you ran into any issues during the process, drop a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching and stay safe.